Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we are looking at the TWS Pro BTS 5.0 earphones, true wireless GPS positioning and theft earbuds in white. But most of you will know them better as Apple's AirPods Pro, or at least they look like them. Let's take a look. So let's get this out of the way. These headphones are clearly based on Apple's AirPods Pro, but they cost only $60. You can pick them up from GearBest, and as always they will be linked in the description down below. Now that is a massive saving from the $249 AirPods Pros directly from Apple. But how do the features compare when there is nearly a $200 difference? Well, the process starts with pairing the earbuds to an iOS device. Now they will work with Android, but you may miss out on some features. So firstly, when you open the case, they will pop up on your iOS device, which is very Apple. Now in my case, this is the 11-inch iPad Pro. You can also pair them with Android, Windows, or anything else that accepts Bluetooth, but that's just the standard pairing process of holding down the button on the back of the case. You also lose out on some features, but for Android there are some third-party apps like Material Pods, which lets you see the battery life of the headphones on Android. And again, this app should really only work with official AirPods when paired to an Android device. Back to the iOS device, you will see a pop-up window to say that they are paired, and then when you place the headphones in and out of the case, it will also show the battery life of the case and each earbud each time you use them, which is great to see. Normally this function is saved for the H1 chip on Apple's headphones, so again it's good to see that that's here. Once connected, you can head over to the settings and Bluetooth to see all of the features available. You can rename the headphones. In my case it actually auto-filled them with Michael's AirPods Pro, and then you have access to the noise control options. Once again, that's very Apple. And you know what? The more I use these earbuds, the more I think that they are actually officially from Apple. But keep in mind that they're not, and also the price. Now you have the option for noise cancellation being on, off, or you have the transparency mode which lets in some outside noise. Now this can be good for when you're out and about and want a bit of outside noise coming in. The noise cancellation is also good, not amazing, but it's still there. This may also be down to the fit of the headphones, as you have 3 different size silicone tips to choose from to get that perfect fit. Next up, you have the option for what pressing and holding the stem of the earbuds does. You can have it for noise control, or you can have it to summon Siri anytime you like. Now I like the fact that on mine, for example, I've set it so that the left earbud is going to be for Siri and the right earbud is going to be for noise control with a long press. Now the next option is the ear tip fit test. Now this doesn't work with my earbuds currently, as it's always asking for both earbuds to be in my ears at any one time. However, once they are, it doesn't do anything other than bring up the error message each time. You then have the option for automatic ear detection, which again doesn't necessarily work all the time. The headphones will switch between device audio and earbud audio when placed in the case and out again, but unlike the proper AirPods Pros, this won't work by just taking them in and out of your ear. But for me, that's not really a big loss, because most of the time when I take earphones out, I'm probably putting them back in the case or back on charge. And the last option you have is the microphone working from the left or right earbuds or both. And this is a test of the microphone quality. As you can hear, it sounds alright and just as good as any phone microphone. So as you can see, the pairing process and headphone menu look identical to that of the official AirPods Pro. Now on to battery life. You have over 24 hours of battery life with the case and around 4 hours with the earbuds. Charge time is also very quick, and they can be charged with the included USB Type-C to Lightning cable, which alone is around $20 to $35 from Apple's website depending on the size. Or you can just charge them wirelessly. Now this will be slower, but it's nice to be able to place them down on a charger at the end of the day. The case itself is also great. It has the same glossy material of the AirPods Pro, and the fit of the earbuds in the case is great with no movement at all. The look and feel of the earbuds is 100% identical to the AirPods Pro. You have a metal grille on the left and right hand side of the earbuds to help with noise cancellation and also the microphone quality. You also have a matte section to the earbud, which is the stem touchpad, and again this allows you to move forward and backwards through tracks, play and pause the music, and summon Siri or change the sound profiles that I mentioned before. But all of the Apple-like functions mean nothing if the earbuds don't sound good. Well, thankfully the earbuds actually sound great. There's a good mixture of low-end and bass along with some great high-end. Now I listen to a ton of music genres, podcasts and videos, and the sound is on point. Voices on podcasts come through with a ton of clarity, and listening to bass heavy music or heavy metal doesn't result in any trebly noise, which can be a little bit messy on some other headphones. So overall sound quality is great, and when you take into account the price of the earbuds, it's actually kind of amazing. I'll be honest, these earbuds are now my go-to wireless earbuds. Now we've come to the end of the video, it's clear the earbuds are a blatant copy of Apple's AirPods Pro. But coming in nearly 3 times cheaper, they actually are a great deal. Now don't get me wrong, if you have the money I would go direct via Apple, but if you're looking for the features and look without the customer support, future updates and possible Apple Care, then look no further than these earbuds. And that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comments or get hold of me on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Also, over 90% of people watching this video are not subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I upload a video to the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.